Hello, we're a little late tonight, so we're gonna make this a quick one. So we are on day 6. We know we missed yesterday, day 5. It was a crazy day. I actually went to Disney. Yeah, okay, it was my fault. I got home late and then he didn't want to stop playing Madden to make the video. So yesterday's cheese was herbed Gouda. It was actually really tasty, and the wine for yesterday was actually a Chardonnay, which came from Australia on yesterday. It worked well with the cheese. I didn't like it by itself, but it worked pretty good. It's good with creamy pasta dishes. Today, our wine for day 6 is a Shiraz from South Africa. So we're gonna see what that's like. And what's our cheese, Jay?
Hot and spicy.
Whoa. That's different. So let's see what we're working
Probably
with.
tastes like pepper jack.
Maybe.
So it probably ain't gonna be bad.
We'll see.
Because pepper jack not that bad. So just like that. With the big one or the small one? With the big one or the small one?
I like that. The small one. It's spicy.
Oh, yeah, it got all the pepper on it.
Whoa, you can see the pepper in it. You guys see that? It's really no burn.
Yeah. It looks like a little cake, but it ain't bad. Ain't bad.
It does pair well with this wine though. So, what's your verdict, Jalen?
Give it an 8.
I give it a 6. It's not special, but yeah, it does go well. Excuse me. It does go well with that wine. So that's day 6, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be a really special edition. We probably won't have this one, but we will have some other really special guests. So see you tomorrow for day 7.